Today, we're going to show you how a well-known scam broker, strategywisdom.com, scams people. Hi, everyone. My name is John. Today, we're going to learn about the unlawful world of strategywisdom.com. This company has ruined people's money, and it's time to expose its dishonest business practices. Strategywisdom.com has not cared about its customers' well-being, as shown by unapproved transactions and withdrawals. This business is not honest or working with integrity. When we looked into strategywisdom.com, we found many alarming proof of lies. A huge number of people who have been scammed, cheated, or lost all their money by this dishonest broker have come forward to tell their scary stories. But there is still hope. You're not the only one who has been scammed by strategywisdom.com or any other exchange. Report your case to us. You will get the link in this video description. At brokercomplaintalert.com, we are your beacon of hope. Our mission is to assist you in reclaiming the money that was unjustly taken and navigate the complex process of seeking compensation. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and remember that help is always available at brokercomplaintalert.com.